I'm Paul Smart and I'm a vehicle mechanic at Suttonz. As a vehicle mechanic, the servicing, clutches, suspension work, all sort of aspects of the motor trade. The most interesting thing is when you get a big job, like engine job or gearbox job, and you have to challenge your mind.
My name's Thomas Fennessy Cummings and I work at Suttonz as a level 3 apprentice. As an apprentice, I'm working towards my level 3 in vehicle maintenance. I joined the automotive sector straight after school. I left school and I came straight into working in a garage doing my apprenticeship.
The way we're looking and progressing with the motor industry in general is the same as we find in the rest of the world. With electric vehicles, with hybrids, and it's the unknown of which way is going quicker than any other, and making sure that you're there and prepared for everything that it's going to throw up.
The skills I'm looking for when recruiting a vehicle mechanic is really mostly an interest in cars. I'd like to attract more applications from younger people. We do have women working for us as well, so yeah, getting more women into the motor trade would be good as well.
Huge opportunities. You can do as much or as little as you like, especially with the technologies that are coming on board. It is becoming incredibly specialised. You still have to have a good general knowledge. With the college courses that are available, you can really specialise on and pick a particular niche market, or go into the wider spectrum.
My advice, if you're coming into the sector, is be willing to learn. If you don't know anything, ask.
It's always changing, so you need to be adaptable. You have to look for new ideas, you have to think literally what's on the horizon, and you also got to have a foot in the past, because the eclectic mix that we've got in, they're not going away either. So yeah, it's massively rewarding.